Welcome to Phuket, Thailand, the land of stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and endless adventure. In this vlog, I'll be taking you through my entire journey here in Phuket, from arrival to exploring hidden gems to sharing all the essential tips you need for a smooth trip. Whether you are planning your own trip or just dreaming of visiting Thailand, this guide has everything you need. So, let's dive in. हेलो। मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट। हमारा सब कुछ हो चुका है। द इमिग्रेशन इज़ डन, चेक इन इज़ डन एंड आज इतना ज़्यादा रश था, इट लिटरली टुक मी अराउंड 3 आवर्स टू गेट थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस। मैं स्ट्रॉन्गली रिकमेंड करूँगी कि इफ़ यू हैव टू गो ऑन एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप, प्लीज़ आप मिनिमम 4 to 4.5 hours पहले। Yeah, I'll tell you कि what are the immigration requirements. अभी के लिए आपका होटल डिटेल्स मांगते हैं, your passport and of course your return flight ticket. So that would be all. And since my flight is Air Asia, the baggage requirements, be very cautious of that. क्योंकि अगर आपका baggage उससे exceed करता है, they will be charging extra money. Yes, and the immigration questions. So that totally depends on the immigration officer. मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, but my friend, they asked a series of questions. So what they asked was, what is the purpose of your travel? How long are you going to stay? And when are you going to return? Do you have proper how much currency do you have? So these are the questions that we can ask, and they did ask also with my friend. I have my flight and it's via Kuala Lumpur. So tomorrow morning India time around 5 a.m. मैं वहाँ पहुँचूँगी and I'll keep you posted for that. So finally हम पहुँच चुके हैं मलेशिया। It's actually 7:10 in Malaysia at this moment, but in IST it is still 4:45. तो हमें तो जेट लैग हो रहा है, but the sunrise is beautiful. जब आप फ्लाइट पे चढ़ के कुछ ज़्यादा ही थक जाए, then you use this. Let's talk about visas. Depending on your nationality, you might need a visa before entering Thailand. Luckily for India, Thailand offers free visa, which allows you to stay for up to 15 days. However, I will recommend you to carry these documents with you. Once you arrive, head straight to immigration, where you'll be asked for your passport and capture biometric. The process here at Phuket International Airport was pretty smooth and quick. So, मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ Phuket International. I'm done with my immigration. They did not ask for any document. मेरा biometric, my passport, that's it. As soon as you land, you'll find plenty of options for local SIM cards. I went with DTAC, which offers great data packages for tourists. Just bought the SIM card of DTAC 5G, which gives me unlimited network for 5 days. Setting it up is also super easy. They will do it for you in the store and you're ready to go in minutes. Alternatively, you could opt for international roaming, but according to me, local SIMs are much cheaper. Now I'm going to find my MMT tour guide who should be standing with my name written my placard. I'm really excited. My trip has finally started. Here it is, my agent waiting with my name right outside the exit. This is our vehicle here and हम जा रहे हैं अब to the hotel. Once I cleared immigration and grabbed my luggage, it was time to head to my hotel. Everything apart from my flights were included in the package I had booked through MMT, which made the process incredibly smooth. A representative was waiting for me right outside the arrivals area, and the car was comfortable and air-conditioned, perfect after a long flight. Found a detailed booklet in the car packed with information about all the must-visit places and activities in Phuket. The journey to the hotel was so scenic. I loved catching glimpses of the lush green hills and tropical vibes of Phuket. I stayed at the beautiful Peach Hill Resort nestled in the Carter area of Phuket. So सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ आर डन एंड हमारा एक्चुअली पहले डीलक्स रूम बुक था, बट इन्होंने
अपग्रेड कर दिया. So we have like a super deluxe. What was that? Grand deluxe, right? Grand deluxe room पे booking हो चुकी है and we are going to another building for that. अभी तक I'm just loving the experience. शिवानी का मुंह थोड़ा बना हुआ है but I think थोड़ा सा खाना इसके पेट में जाएगा तो यार ये पता है पूरा इसी होटल का कॉम्प्लेक्स का ही पार्ट है ये सब कुछ. Here we go. This is our amazing, amazing, amazing room. My God, यहाँ पे वो भी है शिवानी. यार ये कितना
तुम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे करेंगे.
तुम ना चुप रहो.
यार
यहाँ से बीच वहाँ से बीच वो बीच ही है तो. वाओ. और बाथरूम तो और ज़्यादा प्रिटी है. And this is the washroom. वॉशरूम में बनी है बनी. Cute little tub and so I'm all checked in my room and the room is just gorgeous, beautiful. Just wanted to tell you about the security deposit. So आपको एक security deposit जमा करना होता है at the time that you're checking in and that is totally refundable. So they said कि normally they collect amount of 3,000 baht but they were willing to accept anything between 500 to whatever amount we paid. So I paid them 1,000 and that is totally refundable. That is, but subject to you're not damaging the room and the property in any way. You're not utilizing any food from the minibar. So whatever you utilize from minibar, that is chargeable, and they're going to deduct that from the security deposit. But room में सारे सब कुछ they have provided. They provided slippers, they provided bathrobes, umbrellas. There is a separate pool slash beach towel that they have given us, and also there's a beach bag. Like if you have to go, you can just take that towel. It's not recommended here to carry your passports while you're on the beach for a bath or while you go on the island tours. So we asked with the hotel as well, so we can just leave the passport and your essential documents here in the room inside the locker that they have provided. So in that locker you can just keep everything there and lock down. This hotel was everything I wanted. Relaxing, luxurious and so close to the beach with multiple pools, a spa and a shuttle service to Kata Beach. This is a very important message. The way they have written that it can feed 8 people. ये यहाँ का रेस्टोरेंट है. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स ऑन द मेन्यू. ईटिंग ऑप्शंस तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. वी हैव पैनकेक्स विद हनी, potatoes, पूरी भाजी, carrot cake, lot of fruits and juices. And that wraps up the essentials you need to know before visiting Phuket. I hope this guide helps you plan your trip and makes your experience smooth and memorable. And stay tuned for my upcoming vlogs as I explore the islands, food and nightlife of this amazing destination. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Till then, see you soon.